Good morning, boo-boos. I love you. Oh, there you fine people are. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. And happy super duper happy Saturday. Hope all is well, swell, and totally hip and groovy. Totally hip and groovy in your neck of the woods. Mr. Ranger Dog and I are getting ready to head to work this fine morning. Checking the oil here on my VW. It's something I need to do quite often. It's something you should do on any vehicle quite often. So, yeah, I didn't know you fine folks were in here hanging out in the engine compartment. So, good morning. Without further ado, shall we, Mr. Ranger, get this most groovy a work day Saturday, because we got to go to work half day today, started? What do you think, boo-boos? What do you think, Mr. Ranger? Check this out, folks. All right. Just hanging out here, get some kicks on Route 66. Check out this old abandoned diner, this little beer joint right here on the Mother Road. Look at that, beer, chicken. What else can you want? Pretty cool, huh? I'm hanging out here with my friend Misty. Misty came by and picked me up, and Mr. Ranger Dog. We're doing some drone flying, catching up from the last time we attempted to try the drones out. This time there's barely any wind, so I don't see why we shouldn't be airborne. So, alrighty folks, let's check out this drone flying stuff right here on the Mother Road.
Actually, I think we're going to try to...
Oh, me the boo-boos.
Okay, so turn on drone, set down on level surface.
Having some fun with the drones, huh, boo-boos?
Turn on the remote, press up and down on left joystick. Up button, and then let it hover and get used to the controllers. Yeah, it'll move it. See how it moves it? Yeah. All right.
I gotta get one of those, Misty.
They're fun, aren't they? They also got some. They got some racing ones where you can race them, and people get together and race them through like hoops and tunnels and stuff. Yep. This is the Phantom 3. Yeah. Where is it? Oh, there we go. Can ya? Wow.
All right. That was the most excellent afternoon of drone flying with my friend Misty. I have never, ever attempted to try to fly those drones at all. Never, ever in my life. And that was my first time. And it's amazing, completely amazing how user-friendly they seem to be. As you guys seen, I was able to take it off and land. It was amazing. It was really just amazing. Anywho, folks, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are on our way to the truck stop. Where I'm gonna get settled in for the evening, go take a shower, all that groovy jazz. So, oh, Mr. Boo Boos, where are we at? Are we at the Flying J? Alrighty, Mr. Boo Boos, Daddy's gonna go take a shower and go have some dinner, but I'm gonna go take a shower first and then come back and then I'll go have dinner, okay? That's the dealio. So I'll see you in a little bit. So, this is your shower. This is what I put my clothes in here. That's it. Decently clean place. But that's your shower. That's your typical truck stop shower. Alrighty, so that was a most excellent shower. So I'm gonna do some shaving and get ready, get settled in for the evening. So that's it. That's the Flying J. What was that? Oh, what was that? So that's the Flying J shower facilities. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. What you doing there, Mr. Boo Boos? Alrighty, friends, Mr. Ranger Dog and I are getting settled in for the evening. I had a most excellent shower and dinner. Mr. Ranger Dog had a most excellent dinner. Until we see you beautiful people in the morning for some kind coffee talk right here from the old VW bus. Love one another, be kind to one another, Be grateful for every single moment of the day, because you just never know when those moments will change. Peace. I thought Mr. Ranger Dog was getting ready to bark. Peace, love, and always, Volkswagen Grease.